Introducing Thai Language Revolution. One small word changes everything. Hello everyone. I'm Cody, and I'm absolutely thrilled to welcome you to this special Thai language lesson today. Have you ever tried speaking a new language and felt completely lost when saying something as simple as I am tired or she is a doctor? Don't worry, you're definitely not alone in this struggle. I remember my first months in Thailand. Despite studying hard, something always felt off about my conversations. People would understand what I was trying to say, but there would be this moment of mental translation on their faces. They would politely smile, but I knew my Thai didn't sound natural. Then came my breakthrough moment. I discovered that the way Thai people express to be is completely different from English. We use am, is, and are for everything, but Thai takes a more nuanced approach. The concept was so simple yet so powerful that it transformed my ability to communicate overnight. Unlock the secret to sounding like a local. Master the 3 ways to say to be in Thai. What I'm about to share with you isn't just another grammar lesson. This is the foundational key that unlocks natural-sounding Thai. Understanding these concepts will immediately set you apart from most foreigners trying to speak the language. Imagine walking into a shop in Bangkok and having a smooth, natural conversation instead of awkward, broken exchanges. Picture Thai people responding to you in Thai rather than switching to English because your speech sounds authentic. All this becomes possible when you grasp the concept we're covering today. The beauty of this knowledge is that it's something you can start using immediately. It's not complex vocabulary that takes weeks to memorize or difficult pronunciation that requires months of practice. Once you understand this concept, you can apply it to conversations right away. Think of this lesson as getting a special key that opens a door to deeper connections with Thai people and culture. When you speak more naturally, people respond differently, they open up, share more, and treat you less like a tourist and more like someone making a genuine effort to connect. This single concept helped me go from speaking textbook Thai to speaking more like actual Thai people. And the best part? It's something you can learn in just a few minutes. So grab your notebook, get comfortable, and prepare to discover the fascinating way that Thai expresses the concept of being. By the end of this lesson, you'll have one of the most powerful tools for speaking Thai naturally. Your Thai language breakthrough starts now. Discover the secret of speaking like a local. Let's begin our journey into how to be in Thai. Breaking down barriers. How to be like a Thai. Hey everyone. Sawadee krap. That means hello in Thai. I'm Cody, and I'm absolutely thrilled to be your guide on this exciting journey into the Thai language. Have you ever tried to speak a new language and felt completely lost when trying to say something as simple as I am hungry or she is a doctor? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're tackling one of the most fundamental aspects of any language, how to say to be in Thai. Thai language breakthrough, unlock the secret of to be and sound like a local in minutes. Let me tell you something fascinating about Thai. Unlike English where we use am, is, and are all the time, Thai has a completely different approach to expressing the concept of being. And once you master this, you'll immediately sound more natural and authentic in your Thai conversations. The 2 faces of to be in Thai. In Thai, there are 2 main words for to be.
เป็น
And
คือ
there's also,
อยู่
which we use for location. This might seem complicated at first, but I promise you'll get the hang of it by the end of our session. Let's break it down, step by step. First up,
เป็น
the descriptive to be. We use pen when we're describing what something or someone is in terms of identity, occupation, or characteristics. Think of it as saying I am a teacher or this is a beautiful house. Let me give you some examples. This is my car that I bought last year. In Thai,
นี่เป็นรถที่ผมซื้อเมื่อปีที่แล้ว นี่เป็นรถที่ผมซื้อเมื่อปีที่แล้ว
the pen here sounds a bit like the English word pain but shorter. That place is a famous restaurant. In Thai,
ที่นั่นเป็นร้านอาหารที่มีชื่อเสียง ที่นั่นเป็นร้านอาหารที่มีชื่อเสียง
she is a doctor. In Thai,
เขาเป็นหมอ เขาเป็นหมอ
pen sounds like pain without extending the vowel sound. Now, What if you want to say something is not something? Well, that's where it gets interesting. In Thai, we don't say,
ไม่เป็น
as you might expect. Instead, we use,
ไม่ใช่
for example, he's not American. In Thai,
เขาไม่ใช่คนอเมริกา เขาไม่ใช่คนอเมริกา
my sounds like my and chai sound similar to chai tea. This isn't my phone. In Thai,
นี่ไม่ใช่โทรศัพท์ของผม นี่ไม่ใช่โทรศัพท์ของผม
Bangkok isn't a boring city. In Thai,
กรุงเทพไม่ใช่เมืองที่น่าเบื่อ กรุงเทพไม่ใช่เมืองที่น่าเบื่อ
here's a cool nuance. Sometimes Thai people use
ไม่ได้
before pen to emphasize that something is not as previously thought. This is like saying, actually, he's not. In English, he's a student. He's not actually a teacher, as you might have thought. In Thai,
เขาเป็นนักเรียนเขาไม่ได้เป็นครู เขาเป็นนักเรียนเขาไม่ได้เป็นครู
my dai sounds like my dai. I'm not the one who cooked this. My sister did. In Thai,
ฉันไม่ได้เป็นคนทำอาหารนี้พี่สาวฉันเป็นคนทำ ฉันไม่ได้เป็นคนทำอาหารนี้พี่สาวฉันเป็นคนทำ
next,
คือ
the equivalent to be. Now, let's talk about.
คือ
This is used when two things are equivalent or when you're defining something. Think of it as the equal sign in math. Examples. This is a mango. In Thai,
นี่คือมะม่วง นี่คือมะม่วง
ka sounds a bit like care but shorter. He is my brother. In Thai,
เขาคือพี่ชายของฉัน เขาคือพี่ชายของฉัน
let me show you the difference between pen and ku with two similar sentences. This is a cat. General statement, in Thai.
นี่คือแมว นี่คือแมว
This is my cat that I adopted last month. More descriptive, in Thai.
นี่เป็นแมวที่ผมรับเลี้ยงเมื่อเดือนที่แล้ว นี่เป็นแมวที่ผมรับเลี้ยงเมื่อเดือนที่แล้ว
Ku is also used when you want to say namely or that is to say. I need three things, namely money, time, and patience. In Thai,
ฉันต้องการ3อย่างคือเงินเวลาและความอดทน ฉันต้องการ3อย่างคือเงินเวลาและความอดทน
the problem is, that is to say, we don't have enough staff. In Thai,
ปัญหาคือว่าเราไม่มีพนักงานเพียงพอ ปัญหาคือว่าเราไม่มีพนักงานเพียงพอ
kuwa sounds like kerwa. Finally,
อยู่
being in a location. When we want to talk about where something or someone is located, we use
อยู่
my office is in Bangkok. In Thai,
ออฟฟิศของผมอยู่ที่กรุงเทพ ออฟฟิศของผมอยู่ที่กรุงเทพ
you sound similar to you but with a falling tone. The keys are on the table. In Thai,
กุญแจอยู่บนโต๊ะ กุญแจอยู่บนโต๊ะ
my friend isn't at home today. In Thai,
เพื่อนผมไม่อยู่บ้านวันนี้ เพื่อนผมไม่อยู่บ้านวันนี้
putting it all together. Let's imagine a quick scenario to use all these forms. You meet someone new at a party in Bangkok and have this conversation. Hello. Are you Thai?
สวัสดี คุณเป็นคนไทยไหม สวัสดี คุณเป็นคนไทยไหม
No, I'm not Thai. I'm Australian.
ไม่ใช่ฉันไม่ใช่คนไทยฉันเป็นคนออสเตรเลีย ไม่ใช่ฉันไม่ใช่คนไทยฉันเป็นคนออสเตรเลีย
Is this your first time in Thailand?
นี่เป็นครั้งแรกที่คุณมาไทยไหม นี่เป็นครั้งแรกที่คุณมาไทยไหม
Yes, and Bangkok is an amazing city.
ใช่และกรุงเทพคือเมืองที่น่าตื่นเต้นมาก ใช่และกรุงเทพคือเมืองที่น่าตื่นเต้นมาก
Where is your hotel?
โรงแรมของคุณอยู่ที่ไหน โรงแรมของคุณอยู่ที่ไหน
My hotel is near the river.
โรงแรมของฉันอยู่ใกล้แม่น้ำโรงแรมของฉันอยู่ใกล้แม่น้ำ
Your Thai language journey begins now. My friends, what we've learned today isn't just about grammar, it's about opening doors to connect with Thai people on a deeper level. When you understand how to use pen, ku, and you correctly, you're not just speaking Thai, you're thinking like a Thai person. Next time you're ordering food, meeting new friends, or finding your way around Thailand, you'll have the confidence to express yourself more naturally. The beauty of learning Thai is that each small step brings you closer to experiencing the rich culture, warm hospitality, and incredible diversity of Thailand. Remember, language learning isn't about perfection, it's about connection. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, they're stepping stones to fluency. So go ahead, practice these patterns whenever you can. Say,
ฉันเป็น
I am,
นี่คือ
this is, or,
บ้านฉันอยู่
my house is at, until they become second nature. Thai people will appreciate your efforts more than you know, and you'll discover that learning how to be in Thai is actually the first step to being part of Thailand's amazing culture. Until our next lesson, keep practicing, stay curious, and as we say in Thai,
สู้
which means keep fighting or don't give up.
ๆสวัสดีครับ
See you next time. Breaking down barriers, your first step to speaking like a local. Hey everyone! Cody here, and I'm so excited you joined me for this important language lesson. What we covered today is absolutely essential for anyone who wants to speak naturally in Southeast Asia's land of smiles. We tackled one of the most fundamental concepts in the language, how to express the idea of being something or somewhere. Unlike English where we use one main verb for this concept, the language we're learning today has 3 different words, each with its own specific use. One for describing identities and characteristics, another for defining or equating things, and a third specifically for locations. This might seem like a small detail, but trust me, this single concept will transform how you communicate. Once you master these 3 little words, you'll immediately sound more natural and authentic in your conversations. It's like having 3 different keys that unlock 3 different doors of expression. Think about how often you say I am, she is, or they are in English. Now imagine having the power to express those ideas correctly in another language. That's exactly what you'll take away from today's lesson. The best part? You can start using this knowledge immediately in real conversations. Whether you're ordering food, asking for directions, or making new friends, these 3 core concepts will help you communicate more effectively and naturally. I encourage you to watch this video again and practice along with me. Say the examples out loud, pause when you need to, and really work on internalizing when to use each form. The more you practice, the more natural it will become. Remember, language learning isn't about perfection, it's about connection. Each small step you take brings you closer to meaningful conversations and deeper cultural understanding. And believe me, locals truly appreciate when visitors make the effort to speak their language correctly. I'm on a mission to help you become comfortable and confident in this beautiful language. My goal is to create a community of passionate learners who can navigate this amazing country like locals, ordering delicious street food, handling at markets, making friends, and experiencing the incredible culture firsthand. If you found this lesson helpful, please support this channel so I can keep creating more content like this. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications by clicking the bell, and don't forget to like this video. Your support means everything to me and helps this channel grow. Also, let me know in the comments what other language topics you'd like me to cover. I'm here to help you on your language journey, and your feedback guides what I create next. Until our next lesson, keep practicing what you've learned today. Soon, these concepts will become second nature, and you'll be amazed at how much more natural you sound. Thank you for joining me today. Don't give up, your language journey is just beginning, and I'm honored to be your guide along the way. See you in the next video.